Welcome to Bike Update. Today, we're diving into the all-new Honda XSR 900 2025, a bike that's turning heads with its power, design, and cutting-edge technology. If you're a fan of high-performance motorcycles, this one's definitely worth your attention. Honda has taken a bold step forward with the XSR 900. Blending modern engineering with classic styling. At its heart lies a 900cc liquid-cooled inline-3 engine, delivering an impressive balance of power and smooth performance. With its refined fuel injection system and improved exhaust setup, the bike offers a punchy throttle response, making every ride exciting. When it comes to design, Honda has nailed the neo-retro look. The round LED headlamp, sculpted fuel tank, and minimalist tail section give the XSR 900 a timeless yet aggressive appearance. The lightweight aluminum frame enhances agility, making it perfect for both city rides and open highways. Technology plays a major role in this model. The full-color TFT display provides essential ride information, including speed, gear position, and customizable ride modes. Speaking of modes, Honda has equipped this bike with multiple riding options: standard, sport, and rain, so you can tailor the performance to match your riding conditions. Plus, the Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC) ensures stability and confidence, even on slippery roads. The suspension setup features inverted front forks and a rear monoshock, offering a balanced and comfortable ride. And with dual-disc front brakes featuring ABS, stopping power is reliable and responsive. Honda has also fine-tuned the ergonomics, ensuring a comfortable yet sporty riding posture. Another highlight is the bike's lightweight wheels and high-performance tires, providing excellent grip and maneuverability. Whether you're carving corners or cruising on the highway, the XSR 900 delivers a thrilling experience. With its sleek design, powerful engine, and advanced technology, the Honda XSR 900 2025 is built for riders who demand both style and performance. Whether you're a seasoned rider or someone looking for an upgrade, this bike is ready to impress. That's it for today's bike update. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Honda XSR 900 2025. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motor Crest Showroom for more motorcycle updates. See you in the next video.